Hello everyone, good afternoon. It is meteorologist Brian Newdorf, known to many of you through social media as the NASCAR weatherman. Continue to track the rain showers that we're dealing with at Texas Motor Speedway. The good news is this is the best the radar has looked since this morning. Take a look here what we have. Now, this is as of just before 1 o'clock Central Time, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock Eastern. The track is right here. You see the shower just south, right there. That is where the track is located. I'll move this over here. We'll do a little bit of a time lapse or an animated motion here, show you what the rain has been doing. We've been seeing showers, thunderstorms make their way over the track for a good chunk of the morning. Now, as we go into the early afternoon, the activity is beginning to diminish, but here's what we continue to watch. I'm going to zoom it out. Here's a bigger picture of what we've got going on. Roughly, the track is right about there. Now, that looks pretty good. What we have going on, as you can see, we have all of this activity moving through. Here's that little break we kind of saw just near Denton County. That's where the track is. It's located right about here. But what we've been watching, and I'm going to try to do some overlay on this stuff. First of all, again, the track is somewhere. I'm going to try to do my best to make sure I can find it here. Somewhere right about there. But what we continue to watch with is, I understand we have all of this dry area back, but we're watching this stuff build. So all of this stuff is kind of moving on off towards the northeast. I'm going to erase all of this, put this back into motion, and stop the draw aspect. And what you're going to see is the area that we're watching is back here. So we might get a break back here, but you continue to see more little light rain showers build in here. This wave has to move through at some point, and then once it does, then maybe we can start drying the track out. Here's my thought. Here's what I'm thinking we're going to see happen. I'm hoping, and maybe it's the NASCAR fan in me, I'm hoping that sometime before, or sometime between 5 and 7 local time, Central Time, at 7 and 8, or between 6 and 8 Eastern, we begin to see the rain diminish, and hopefully we'll get a long enough window, and especially this little area back here, where maybe we can actually start to see the track begin to dry, and they stay ahead of the track. Just depends on what this activity back here begins to do. I'm going to still say the odds are 50-60% chance that maybe we go racing later on this evening. Keep it tuned in here on Twitter, on Facebook, and of course here on maybe YouTube. I'll do my best to give you a couple more updates as we go into the afternoon and possibly into the evening hours.